Hey, let's see. Hello, hi. So I hope you guys can see us. This is my wife, Katie, and we are in our kitchen. So today we are going to be showing you guys some of the things that we like to use making recipes with our Sunrider products. So I am not a cook. So that's why I've got my wife here and she's awesome at it. So I know if you guys follow like At Home with Katie Chen, there's lots of cool recipes and fun things. And today we're just going to do something really simple that anybody can do. And it's just sort of to show how we can integrate Sunrider products into our regular life. So what do you have in store for us?
Well, okay, I just want to disclose that, Sunrider products are super easy to use. And actually, since we moved into this new house and there's just so much to do. I mean, we're changing light bulbs, we're trying to hang up pictures, there's a lot of things to do. So usually I'm more into cooking, but I'm not really into as much of cooking lately. So, it's great that we have Sunrider products because we can eat something healthy that we feel really good about, that we feel really good after we eat, while we eat, before we eat, everything. And it's fast and easy and doesn't leave a lot of mess. Because messes are what we're cleaning up all day long around here. Especially since
we got 5 kids.
And we just got 2 little kitties.
And we got cats.
Yeah, we just got 2 little kitties too.
Yes.
So we have lots of messes. But so it's easy to use Sunrider products with just you can mix New Plus with water or your choice of milk or whatever you want to do. But we wanted to make it a little bit more exciting. So we are making it into some simple recipes that are still very easy. And so I think if you've ever seen any of my posts or whatever, you see that I really like New Plus. I like it at night right before bed. I feel like it really helps me sleep. And in the morning, I don't feel quite so hungry, even though, it's not a big meal, but I also love it in the morning. And so I love to do something like, I guess I call just New Plus oatmeal. So, which is exactly what it is, New Plus and oatmeal together, just to make like a bigger meal. I usually actually have to share these bowls because they're so big and I have a lot of willing participants. Usually my 3-year-old loves to share with me, but so I've already made some oatmeal right here. You can make whatever kind of oatmeal you like. This is like some organic, like steel cut, but
we like steel cut.
Yeah, I like it steel cut, but it's like that easier steel cut. It's like 7 minutes, something you can get at Costco. So I like to just mix it in a bowl. Here we go.
So for those of you who don't know, and you're new to Sunrider, so New Plus is one of the products that we use. It is a combination of herbal superfoods that we formulate and concentrate that help fill in some of our nutritional gaps. Now, one of the things that's very, very awesome about New Plus is that it is set up with lots of complex carbohydrates that really are good at nourishing the body and also are a prebiotic. So those of you who don't know what a prebiotic is it's something that helps nourish the gut flora to help your body. And a lot of people talk about important gut flora for immunity, for mood, along with digestion, of course. But a lot of people who use New Plus, they'll feel more energy. And they'll say like, oh, this is just a collection of concentrated, focused herbs. But really what they are superfoods that are herbal and that we've formulated in a specific way to help nourish the body, everything from the inside out. And we've got all kinds of flavors. So what flavors are we using today?
Well, you can use whatever flavor you like. Okay. I like the piña banana a lot.
Yes.
But also the mixed fruit and just any of the more plain flavors. I love them all. And so I just mix them up. So today I'm just filling a little bit like bananas, I guess. So pina banana, and you can add 1 or 2 packets, whatever you feel like, however hungry you are. I add a packet just to this cooked oatmeal, and then you can add whatever kind of like milk you want. I'm feeling like cocoa, so
this is coconut milk. All right.
Coconut milk, and just mix it together, and it gets a little bit thicker as you mix. And I mean, obviously you can add 2 packets. This was kind of a lot of oatmeal. I'm going to need a lot of help eating this, but as soon as our 3-year-old wakes up from his nap, I'm sure he's going to love it. So, and then top it with whatever you like. So I already mixed some fruit, and I already rinsed it, and we rinsed it with the fruit and vegetable rinse. And so you can arrange it however you like.
So for those of you who don't know, so this is our fruit and vegetable rinse. It's designed to help clean vegetables, get all of the poisons, especially with like pesticides. So fruit and vegetable rinse gets all the pesticides, also cleans it, kills, or it can help alleviate, remove some of the bacteria and other nasty things, because people are touching it, and you want your things that you're putting in your mouth and feeding your family to be nice and clean. So that's what we have our fruit and vegetable rinse. Just put a capful in water and about like a minute of cleaning it, and then you can put it in whatever you want. And you can mix it with really anything. Fruits and vegetables are the easiest, but meat we do that with, so it's pretty awesome. Okay, so if you guys should follow Katie's Instagram posts, because she loves designing. This is half of the fun, is making like a design with the fruits and vegetables. So here, I'm gonna
I am
bring it in just a little.
So I'm not really making this too fancy, but I mean, anything with like some fresh fruit and vegetables, and yeah, anyway, this is not worthy of like the Instagram post, but yeah, I mean, it's delicious. Top it with nuts, some cinnamon. If you like have more of a sweet tooth, go ahead and add some Sunny-Dew to it. And I used to, when I was like a kid, put like mounds of brown sugar on my oatmeal.
Brown sugar is good too.
But I don't feel like it needs it. Like, especially with the New Plus, I feel like
New Plus has like a lot of good flavor to it, and also helps it to round it out, so it's not just, you're not just eating oatmeal. And oatmeal is actually one of those another one of those complex carbohydrates that are really good for cholesterol. Everybody knows that, but this is just one of those healthy breakfasts or lunch, depending on what you're doing. I guess right now is lunchtime.
For us, lunch, but I mean, this is a good thing for you guys tomorrow. Actually, so we're in Texas and we're learning about seasons again. It's been 10 years since we lived in Minnesota. And today I just got a whiff of the air. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that smell. It's like the smell of fall, and already Christmas is coming, apparently.
Yep.
The day after Halloween, apparently the Christmas season starts. So we're getting used to that. They're very into it here. But so that's just an easy meal, like right there. But I have, I guess I just wanted to be extra. I wanted to share a few other things that I made today.
This is just something that she threw together this morning.
My kids don't have a lot of time for snacks today, because we have Tuesdays are a day where we have classes right after school, so we have to head off over somewhere else. And I was telling the kids, well, I don't want you guys to eat like a lot of packaged stuff. I want you to eat something fresh, except for, when it comes to New Plus, that's nice and it's healthy and ready for you. And especially when you mix it with something like this. This is I don't know. This is a shaker bottle. I know you can't see the texture, but this is chia pudding. And
chia pudding is really good.
It's one of those things I don't make enough, because every time I make it, the kids just love it. So this is just super easy. I mix it in the shaker bottle too. Chia pudding. It has chia seeds. You can mix it. I like coconut milk with this one, but soy milk or whatever kind of milk you would like. some Sunnydew, and some vanilla, and then a package of New Plus. And so, and then you just, it's a little bit thick, and that's the way you like it, because then you can eat it with a spoon. So it's just chia pudding, and just put it in the fridge for a couple hours, and then
tapioca pudding type of texture, right?
Yeah, a little. We love tapioca pudding too. I know it's like kind of weird, but that's what we love. So chia pudding, and this is made with New Plus. That gives it a lot of flavor and also helps thicken it just the right consistency. And so for the chia seeds, if you ever used them before, it's
can you see that there?
About 2 tablespoons for every 6 ounces of liquid. And then of course the New Plus will help thicken it too. And I wasn't planning on sharing so much, but I was making my morning drink. Like, this is what I like to do. Like I said, we got a lot of errands to run in the afternoon, taking the kids here and there. So I like to have it all ready. I usually have it ready in the fridge. This is something easy. It's just spinach. So it's a green drink with Fortune Delight, Sunnydew, and, well, you can add a little protein if you need a little extra. But this is my hydration for the afternoon to get me through the afternoon. So real easy, lots of spinach and Fortune Delight for all the flavors and all the antioxidants, everything else.
So Fortune Delight is our antioxidant beverage. It is it's an herbal tea that is full of antioxidants. If you compare it with the average green tea, it's got 4 to 10 times the number of antioxidants in it because of our special concentration method. You can check it out on sunrider.com, and it goes through how we process the herbs and concentrate it and formulate it and package it, especially to keep it fresh for Sunrider. So if you're new to Sunrider, and let's say you're a new independent business owner or you're a new customer, just go to sunrider.com. You can put in your username and password. You can check out all of these products with the New Plus and the Fortune Delight. You can try them out, try some of these things. Really easy again with, let's see, very pretty. Yeah, it's awesome. No, when you look at what I do, it's like ridiculous. I would just like lop it all on top. And then this is the chia seeds. Let's see if we can take a look at that. Chia seed pudding, which is really good. And I'm the little bit of vanilla actually goes a long way, or you can use
I've done
some vanilla protein plus.
I've done it with something protein plus too. So if you want a little bit more vanilla flavor,
protein powder. And if you are brand new to Sunrider, let's say you're not a customer or an independent business owner, just talk with the independent business owner or preferred customer to share this video with you. And they, I'm sure, have even more recipes and fun things they like to do with things like Fortune Delight and New Plus and fruit and vegetable rinse. You could check it out online.
Don't forget Vita Shake.
Vita Shakes. I mean, it's like so many good things. Just to top it all off, like Sunrider is one of those, if you talk with any Sunrider person, it's part of it is great health, but there's like a great culture involved with it. Independent business owners, the IBO is really, really fun, and they love to share what they love to do with the products, and everybody has something fun to do with the products. So do you have any other cool tips here with a green drink? This is a green drink.
Well,
it's
I mean,
not like
I feel bad I didn't. Okay, she doesn't love green drinks, but I do. I don't think you can taste the spinach at all. And a lot of people use kale or whatever you want to use. I mean, you can mix lots of vegetables.
If you use a lemon flavored Fortune Delight with some Sunnydew, I think that actually really does cover up.
I like the lemon flavor better with a green drink. That's true. Yep. But I mean, I have a lot of things that I've done, but these are just like some of the easiest for a busy day, for a busy lifestyle, but something you want to stay healthy and stay energized, especially as the winter months come on. I think it's harder to stay energized.
Thanksgiving and got Christmas coming up, so you want to try and stay healthy as well.
And balanced, right?
Yeah, balance your diet. So I know we have our Healthy Living Festival that's coming up next week. So I hope you guys can attend that. And right after this, if you go over to our North America IBO Facebook page, if you are an independent business owner, you want to learn how to have a fun meetup where you meet with people either online or in person, and you want to make some cool things. We can help you with that. Right after this, we're going to be talking about some of the opportunities you can have as an independent business owner over at our North America IBO Facebook page. It's a closed group for those of you who are IBOs. All you have to do is be an IBO and ask for an invitation. Just go to the North America IBO Facebook page. They'll send you an invitation. You can see some of the past posts. There's some great tips about how to do your own home-based business. So it's super convenient. Go check it out. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is sort of this is like our kitchen. It's not like a sound stage. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a good day. Have a healthy and safe Thanksgiving and Christmas. And we'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.
Thank you.